Hey guys, this is Karen here with Dalton Vacuum and Power Tool located in Dalton, Georgia. We are a new authorized service center for the Miele vacuum cleaners, and also we sell them. We can ship them to your location wherever you guys need them if you can't come into the store. We're going to be servicing Dalton, Georgia, as well as the surrounding counties. So if you guys need anything, we also have parts available. If not, we can order them and have them shipped to you. If you want to, give us a call at 1-800-511-1417, or you can reach us locally at 706-277-7717. Thanks for visiting.